Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have an interesting unboxing from Dior. Since this was my birthday month, so I did went out to get different sorts of things from different brand. And just nice, there's this Dior Limited Edition 2020 items that I have been eyeing for a while now. So yeah, let's start unboxing from the back. I did get a few items from here, but the main thing is actually the 2020 Rouge Happy collection, which is this. So this is the Dior Rouge. Oh my god, it's upside down. So this is the Dior Rouge Happy 2020 collection that I was talking about. So let's unbox this Dior Rouge 2020 limited edition together. So when you open this golden packaging, you actually have, you'll see this really nice solid packaging that says Dior over here, and that's Dior here as well. I'll show you guys a close-up soon, and then you can just unzip it. Unzip it, you actually see 6 different lipstick. This is the lipstick cover, so you can actually interchange it with all the different lipsticks. And then inside this one, there's also lipstick, so there are 6 different shades in total, and it's their Dior Rouge collection. So it's really cute, and I'll show you guys the close-up of the colors and everything. So yeah, so over here we have the Dior Rouge Happy 2020 Jewel Lipstick Edition. Over here, it actually comes with the really pretty Dior iconic classy jewel lipstick cover that is refillable with different shades. So originally, the color inside is 999, which is their iconic red, but I decided to switch it out into the Feel Good 520 because it looks really pretty and it's a shade that I like. So all their colors are named, so you can just pick the shade based on what you like and refill it or change it based on the outfit of the day and the style that you're going for. So I'm going to show you all the 6 different shades of color. Let's start with my favorite, which is the 028 Atrix that I put in the lipstick cover, and I tend to wear it around recently, and I just really love this shade of pink. Next up, there is the 520 Feel Good. So it's also very moisturizing, and it's in this darker shade of red and pink color. Thirdly, 666 Mated Kiss. This is perfect for someone looking for a darker shade of red with a matte finish that can stay on longer throughout the day. It's a really classy color that looks great. Next, 080 Red Smile, which is the perfect shade for people that love the color red. It's really intense red color that brings out your skin colors and stuff, so it's really awesome. Next, we have one of their famous 999 Matte Red color. It's a similar shade as iconic red, which I'm about to show you, but it actually is in matte shade, so it will last longer throughout the day, and it looks really wonderful. Lastly, we have the 999 Iconic Red. So if you are looking for the similar red color but in a more moisturizing tone, this will be the perfect shade for you. So it's all in these different shades of red. So here is an overview of the 2020 Rouge 6 different shades of Dior lipstick color that I just showed you. I'm really blown away by their design since it's 6 different kind of red, and it's just perfect for different theme and outing. I love it so much. Other than the Rouge lipstick set, I also gotten another one for my mom in this shade called 635. I'll show you guys the packaging for this one now, so you guys can compare this one with their limited edition ones in case you want to get it as well. So it actually looks like this, which is different from the limited edition one that looks a little bit different, and I'll show you guys a close-up for comparison. So this is the Rouge Dior 635 Ecstasy. It actually comes with the Dior logo on top as well and the shade of color below. So the packaging itself is really cute, but it looks really different from the Dior Rouge Happy 2020 collection. The color is different. I felt like the 635 Ecstasy actually looks more eye-catching, but the black one looks classy as well. So it really depends on which theme you are going for, and yeah. So for the 635 Ecstasy, inside there's actually this Dior logo on the lipstick as well, but the lipstick is thinner and the color is more matte red compared to the rest. And another item that I gotten from the SA from Dior is actually this. It actually says Dior here, and then when you open it up, I think it's one of their pouch, and it looks like this. It says Joy Dior, which is really cute, and it's really great. This size is really cute, and you can fit all your makeup products and put it in so that you can bring out with your medium bag or bigger bag, so you can fit your makeup and you won't dirty the bag as well. So inside is quite spacious as well, and I think I'll carry this around when I travel or something because it can fit travel size items. So this is a close-up of the Dior pouch, and it's in this really cute round shaped size, and the side actually have the star design, and you open it up, it's quite spacious as I said earlier, and you can just put your lipstick, makeup items and all that and just bring it around, so it's awesome. So other than the items that I gotten, then my SA from Dior actually gotten me some like travel size item for me to try as well, which is these 3 items. The first one is known as the eye treatment. I think it's great to use it before I sleep, and I'll probably bring it abroad when I travel soon. And then the next one that I really like will be the Dream Skin. I think it's one of their new collection. It's for Care and Perfect. So it's great to use it when I go gym or something, when I don't feel like wearing makeup but still need a little bit of moisturizing. And Dream Skin is just a really great product. And I think I'll probably invest in a full-size item for this. And then lastly, this is the 24 hours foundation. I haven't got a chance to try it out yet, but if it's really well, I might actually just invest in a full size as well. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and let me know if you guys tried your lipsticks before and whether you like this new 2020 collection. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!